Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss how to show error and warning messages in Odoo 17. In Odoo, there are different types of exceptions. Some of them are access denied, validation error, access error, user error. These warnings and error messages are used to communicate with users when there is an issue or when certain conditions are met. And this can be triggered from Python code or JavaScript. So let's see each one in detail and check how to raise this one by code. For that, I have created a module, Traverse Management, and I have also added some fields. So when creating a new record, let's raise an error or warning based on the field looking date. For that, let's go to PyCharm. Here is our custom module, Traverse Management, and inside we have models. And let's open this Python file defining new model. Let's create a create method for the custom model. Let's iterate the values. Next, we need to check the condition. What is if the field value in the booking date is empty? Let's raise some error. Let's see first. Let's see the validation error. So validation error is returned when constraints that have effect on the given record's field. Let's raise the validation error, that is booking date should be present, and we need to import it from auto exception. Let's uncomment this and run the program. After that, go to UI and we can just try to create a new record. Field booking date as empty, and after that save this. So here you can see that a validation error is raised and the message is shown as booking date should be present. So in this way, we can create or we can raise validation error in Odoo 17. Next, we can check how to raise access denied warning. This exception is used when the user tries to log in using invalid login details. For example, if the user tries to log in many times using invalid credentials, then it will raise access denied exception. We can check this with the same example. For that, let's go to PyCharm and from Odoo.exception, let's import access denied. Replace this validation error with access denied and run the program. Back to UI, close this. Again, try to save this. So here you can see an access denied exception or access denied warning is raised. So in this way, we can create access denied warnings. Then next, we can check the access error. The exception is typically occurs when a user violating the access right. For example, some companies don't have access to update the record. So when unauthorized companies try to update the records, it raises an access error. So let's check with the same example. For that, let's import access error from Odoo.exceptions. Let's import access error and copy this and paste it over here. Now run the program. Back to UI. Now try to save this record. Here you can see the access error is raised. Next, we can check the user error. It is executed when the user tries to update the records. Let's go to PyCharm and import user error. Now copy this and paste, then run the program. Back to UI, saving. So here you can see an error is raised, that is invalid operation. So in this way, we can create or raise different types of warnings in Odoo 17.